What's poppin'? It's your boy Gang. Welcome back to my review channel. And today we finna do another review on the company Hip Hop Bling. And the item that we're reviewing today is the Ice Baller Square replica, two-tone, rose and white gold, limited edition baguette face. So with that being said, let's get into it. Off top, you already know, little package that it comes in right here. Get this thing open, show y'all what it's about. Oh, and I did open this thing up and check the watch out already. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that thing is good. So let's get this thing open and show y'all what this thing about, man. And it did come double packaged. That part I like right there, you know what I mean? Keep your package safe. Try to keep it in pristine condition so that way when it gets to you, your items are still nice and in good condition. So I like the double bubble wrapping packaging, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let me set this to the side and get that on up out of my way. Alright, the first thing that come up in the packages right here is my little receipt thing right here that came up in there. And then they sent a little Hip Hop Bling, little discount code, you know what I mean? Little advertising card, as always, the same thing that come in all the little packages for every item. You know what I'm saying? Got a little discount code right there, drip 25 to 25% off. You know what I'm saying? Your next order or whatever that thing is right there, whatever you're gonna do with that, set that thing to the side, and we're gonna get into this item. Y'all can see right here, I'm disappointed with the packaging right off the top. This right here, for as much as this watch costs, Hip Hop Bling, you could have did a lot better than that and sent a box that this watch can come in like the other companies do. Put some respect on this watch, man. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm gonna say, because this shit right here, this little tin crap, this shit is for something else, man. You don't put no motherfucking Cartier Santos replica in no goddamn tin can like this. This is bullshit. But we gonna get into this motherfucker. Why? So, this is the box that it comes in. This piece of trash tin can right here, as you can see. This little stupid clear lid, you know what I mean? And this is the watch right here. I already took it out the plastic. Nothing else comes in this crap. I'm throw that to the side because that's irritating. So, this is the pillow that it comes on right here, as you can see. This is the Ice Ballers replica right here, two-tone, rose and white gold limited edition with the baguette, aka emerald cut face on that joint. Check that thing out right there, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Little white cushion pillow that it comes in. Nothing else, you know what I mean? Get this thing up off the pillow and we're gonna get into this watch, man. So, and I ain't gonna lie, this thing is fire and it goes with my chains and that I got, man. My little rose and white golds. Now I got me a little set, but check it out. So this is the limited edition two-tone rose and white gold Ice Baller replica from Hip Hop Bling. The baguette face, check that thing out right there, you know what I'm saying? Try to get that thing to focus in on that joint. All right, man, look at that joint right there. The baguette face right there on that thing. With a sapphire crystal glass right there, supposed to be scratch resistant, as you know what I mean, as they say, but I doubt it. It's probably scratch resistant to a certain point, you know what I mean, if you don't really try to tear it up, you know what I mean. But you know what I mean, that's some sapphire crystal glass right there on the face right there. The inside of the face is Roman numerals, you know what I'm saying, and it is iced out on the inside, as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying. That thing is popping. And then the screws right there that represent with the little circles right there, the little screws, whatever you want to call it, on the band, they are rose gold. You know what I mean? The lining of the watch is rose gold. That thing is fire. This is a stainless steel, you know what I mean, piece with white and rose gold over it, you know. And this is the band, fully iced out, you know what I'm saying. The back of it right there, they ain't got no logo or nothing on there from Hip Hop Bling. The sides of the band are not iced out, but the sides of the watch is. That's the crown right there. It's in rose gold, you know what I'm saying. That thing is fire. Look at the size, man. That thing is a hitter. Check that joint out. Yeah, the back of it is rose gold, you know what I'm saying. It is a butterfly clasp. The clasp, you know what I mean, piece right here is rose gold, so I guess it is the clasp, you know what I mean. Yeah, clasp part is rose gold. Leading on to the lock right here, that clamp down is rose gold right there too. You know what I'm saying? And there is nothing on the back of the watch. You already seen that. Ain't nothing on the back of there. That'd have been fire if there was a name. You know what I mean? A branding or something on the watches. You know what I mean? Y'all need to get up there and get on your game, man. Start branding y'all watches. But yeah, so this is the two-tone Ice Baller Square replica. You know what I'm saying? Fully bust down limited edition. Baguette emerald cut face. You know what I'm saying? Check that thing out. That thing is icy, man. You know what I mean? Look at the band. Just busting. That thing is hitting. Even though the packaging was crap, you know what I mean? I'm not even gonna knock it. The watch is nice and it's tight. And I have been rocking it, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I was iced out, rocking this joint past week. I was gonna review it, but I was a little lazy. You know what I mean? But now we getting to it, so check that thing though. The limited edition one. Yeah, look at that joint. That thing is a smacker. Check the crown part out. Yeah. You know what I mean? I'm about to morph on you boys. No, I'm just bullshit. You know what I mean? About to get it in on y'all at one time. Alright, hold on. Y'all know nothing about that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so this is the Ice Baller Square replica 2-tone limited edition baguette face from Hip Hop Bling. You know, then check that joint out. Spin that thing for y'all one more time. Look at that joint hitting, man. That joint hitting. Look at the size. And this is the class, you know what I mean, butterfly class, automatic movement to where, you know what I mean, if you shake it up, that thing will charge itself up, you know what I mean, and get the tick-tock and then still be moving. You'll be good. I don't think you need no batteries with this joint. And what I know for sure is you don't need no batteries. And this thing is not water resistant. Man, I already done got mine wet and had some water and stuff up in there. So when I tried to clean it recently, don't get this joint wet. And if you do, know how to take your watch apart and get this piece in the middle and all of that stuff out before you clean this joint. Because, hey, I thought it was a problem for me, man. But I ended up, you know what I mean, finding out through YouTube, watch me a little video and learned how to take this joint apart and clean my things. So for those who are wondering how to clean y'all's watches like this, man, don't expect me to do no video on it, man. Y'all better go look up YouTube and learn how to clean a watch and take a watch apart, so that way y'all can do it the right way. You know what I mean? Learn from the people that know how to do it the right way, man. So with that being said, let me set this joint down. You know what I'm saying? This has been a video brought to you by Unnoticed Talent, Hip Hop Bling. You know what I'm saying? If y'all like that watch and y'all want to go check them out, go ahead. You know what I mean? Link in the description. Go ahead and check them out and holla at them, man. So, with that being said, it's your boy Gang. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. And I'm out. Gang.
Like niggas on that sucker shit. Them the type of motherfuckers I ain't fucking with. Bum niggas on that broke shit. Them the type of motherfuckers I ain't fucking with. Fake niggas on that hating shit. Them the type of motherfuckers I ain't fucking with.